All right, let's do the dug up bone. Find the parallel and the perpendicular. Oh, okay, so we just have standard form now. All right, this ain't no big deal. So we're in standard form, so we got to find, first of all, just the slope. That's kind of easy here. Remember, parallel slope is going to be the exact same slope. So basically, we just got to find the slope, and then we got to reciprocate it and negate it, or opposite reciprocals, all those fun words. No decimals allowed, simplify our fractions. Okay, here we go. So this is the A value, and this is the B value. Slope is always negative A over B when it's in standard form. A value, B value, what B value? There's a 1 right there. Here we go. So let's do negative A over B. Negative A over B. It's going to be a negative 15, so a positive 15 over a negative 9. Simplified, I believe that's going to turn into a 5/3 with a negative down there. So we have a negative 5/3. Okay. The perpendicular slope, the opposite reciprocal. Well, if you're negative, then you have to be positive, and you also need to be flipped. There we go. That's the opposite reciprocal slope. Again, this is a trick that we've done a handful of times now. If you can either solve for y, but if you solve for y, guess what you would do? You would add a 15x to both sides, then you'd divide everything by a negative 9. So you'd have a 15 over a negative 9, which is what the negative A over B shortcut does every single time. So negative A over B, here we go. Negative A is going to be a negative 3 over a 1, so just a negative 3. And then the perpendicular slope to negative 3, if you're negative, you got to be positive, and you also got to be flipped, so 1/3. There we go. Got it. Not too bad. Tell you what, that negative A over B shortcut definitely makes these problems super duper easy to knock out very, very quickly. All right, that is the dug up bone.